Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan pancakes. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Next, prepare your wet ingredients: 1.5 cups of plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together all the dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate medium bowl, combine the plant-based milk and apple cider vinegar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes to curdle slightly. Then, add the vegetable oil and vanilla extract to this wet mixture. Finally, pour the wet ingredients into the dry and mix gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make your pancakes tough. It's time to cook your fluffy vegan pancakes. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with a little oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the hot griddle. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles appear on the surface. Flip carefully and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are perfectly cooked through. This ensures a beautiful, even golden color. Your delicious vegan pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Stack your freshly cooked pancakes on a plate. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Consider fresh berries, a generous drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped coconut cream for an extra treat. For an added burst of flavor, you can even mix chocolate chips or blueberries directly into the batter before cooking. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy, and satisfying vegan breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.